In this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best treadmills available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So, whether you need best treadmills, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Treadmills. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 6. Soul Fitness 585 Folding Treadmill. Features 2-ply belt, pulse grip, and chest strap heart rate monitoring. 6 standard programs, 2 custom programs, 2 heart programs, cooling fans, MP3 compatible sound system, 9-inch LCD workout display. Folding treadmill with easy lift assist technology. Powerful Quiet 4.0 CHP commercial grade motor. Number 5. Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. Features folding treadmill with easy lift assist technology. Powerful Quiet 3.5 CHP commercial grade motor, 10 built-in workout programs, pulse grip and wireless chest strap for heart rate monitoring included. Cushion flex, whisper desk, Bluetooth connectivity for music and fitness apps. USB port for charging phones and tablets. Number 4. Go Plus 2 in 1 Folding Treadmill. Features powerful 2.25 HP quiet motor, Bluetooth function, and high-performance speaker. Safety key ensures safety, easy to operate control adjustable foot pad, phone holder for entertainment, LED screen for monitoring motion data, transport wheel for easy movement, non-slip and shock absorbing running belt. Number 3. Horizon Fitness T101 Treadmill. Features 3-zone variable response cushioning, folding treadmill with feather light technology, 2.5 CHP motor with whisper quiet operation, a very wide variety of workout programs, heart rate monitoring via pulse grip sensors on handlebars, variable response cushioning, Bluetooth or USB-enabled speakers. Number 2. Nordic Track Commercial Series Plus 30-day iFit membership. Features 10-inch high-def touchscreen, iFit enabled, Bluetooth audio, 2 T3 inches speakers, Nordic Track's Runners Flex cushioning, 2 Auto Breeze workout fans, EKG, pulse grip plus, chest strap monitor included, 1 touch control, 50 onboard workout programs. Number 1. Nordic Track T-Series 6.5 A-side treadmill features 10% incline controls, folding space-saver design, flex select cushioning, smart response motor, full body training, gait out and explore, studio classes come home, trainer LED workouts, 2.6 CHP drive system. Plug your iPod or other MP3 device into the console sound system. Workout variety, easy folding and storage.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.